Hey guys, so it's week 3 of me saving up for the Bamboo Lab X1 carbon printer, and let's do our usual Saturday follow-up for what I sold and how much I sold for. So last week we were on 731 sales, and this week we are on 755 sales, which is super awesome. I had 24 sales during this week, which is amazing. I don't know why, it's super amazing and I'm super happy about it. So thank you to everyone who bought one of my models. So here's what I sold this week. We sold one Flexi Kingfisher, a harmonica, 2 Bitsy Gun Baby commercial versions, a Birthday Dragon commercial version, a Hottenstein commercial version, 3 Kingfisher commercial versions, and we sold 2 normal Bitsy Gun Baby versions, a Sprinkles commercial, a Frankenstein commercial, one of my son's monkey business dragons, a hugging dragon ornament, my Danish Christmas hearts, also commercial versions, and my Easter buns commercial version, a St. Patrick's Day commercial version, a axolotl commercial version, a derby bat from my daughter's commercial version, and the S1 telescoping rocket, a pumpkin dragon skull mask commercial version, and a dragon crown commercial version. Now this is a huge list of sales this week, and I'm super proud, super happy. Of course, I took the kids' 2 sales out of the total number, and here is the total number for this week. So I put all the numbers together and took the kids' versions out of it, and I earned 118.83 euros, which brings us to a total of 463.75 euros, and we still need to earn 905.25 euros. But this week was amazing. Thank you so much, and don't forget to come back for next week's Saturday update.